the biceps. Okay? Now, you have to support the arm. Slide na ang clock pat makuna tanan ikaw. Ato kuno. Dili na sa kilid. Side. Okay, now you have to support the arm being tested. And for example, you are testing the right arm. So your right arm will support the arm being tested. Your opposite hand will be the one to hapak. Okay? To strike the reflexes. First, biceps gonna reflex. Okay? So there are some patients na very sensitive. Okay? So masakitan sila in top mo. So you can use your thumb. Okay? Put your thumb over the tendon and then that's the time you apply the reflex hammer. Okay? Sakit.
Insensitive.
Okay, so this is the biceps. And then for the pronator teres hammer here. And then for the brachioradius. Lihok ganina kang kuan. Sa sort of murag mo ana lang sa jerk ba. Okay? Next, for the triceps. Okay, so tendon sa triceps gihapon. Relax. Hello! Hello! Tikuan mo yun. Ha? Kusog yung triceps. Okay?
Pwede ka ba? Ako tayo sangkron.
Kuha? Yes. Tendon ng igod. Same with the patellar. Ayaw, kinamit.
Mati na, miss.
Relax ha.
Relax.